On August 13th and 14th, Ukrainian Air Force destroyed some 15 pieces of Russian armor in up to 10 group raids, while air defenses shot down 2 Russian helicopters. Under the cover of fighter aircraft, Su-25 attack aircraft, and Su-24M bombers struck Russian platoons in company-level strongholds, tank columns on the march, positions of MLRS systems that were crossing or attempting to cross river crossings, and the sites of accumulations of enemy manpower and equipment, the Ukrainian Air Force Command reported. The command says that Ukrainian airstrikes eliminated about 15 Russian armored fighting vehicles and dozens of enemy troops. Meanwhile, Joint Forces Task Force says the Ukrainian air defense has destroyed the second Russian Ka-52 Alligator helicopter